Learn and grow with AsheDesign.com.
All right, had a request for these ripping through templates, how to use those. So I picked and downloaded this one. So we're going to show how to use the ripping through the paper. Super easy. I did a AI generation of my photo. So there's my photo. All right, so all I'm going to do is Control J to make a copy of it. Or you can drag it down here to the plus while you're holding it, and it will make a copy. I always like to work on the duplicate layer. And then I'm going to turn that one off, and click Remove Background and let Photoshop do its thing. I recommend Remove BG like Sonia does, but to each their own. So that looks a little wonky to me, so I'm going to take my black brush and I'm going to paint on the mask. Again, this is just an AI image, so I'm doing this really quick. So now I'm going to take that and I'm going to drag it over to my template and drop it. Now, according to the labels over here, I need a copy up here, duplicate, and I also need one down here. So I'm going to drag it down here to start with and make it the size I want. Control T to get my sizing. Or maybe you want to size it up here. Maybe you like to size it up there so you can see what your size is. Whatever is easier for you. That's how big coming through the paper is. That might be a little big. All right. And now I'm going to drag that down to my plus to make a copy of it. And then I'm going to take either one and drag it down here to cut out. So now I've got one here on step 1, step 2, and then all I have to do is click on this, and then anything I want to be behind. So let's remember, that's behind. This is what's behind the paper. This is in front of the paper. So now I've got them both turned on. All I have to do is take my black brush, and if I only want it to look like the left leg has gotten through the paper, all I have to do is just paint the other leg out. That's it. So now it looks like he's bursting through the paper. If you have any more questions, let me know.